So now we've just seen how to actually use this particular merge query to join two different, tables together, bringing data from the other, table to another table. So we can do beyond that. So now let's say we have this particular product here. And in this product, we have the price of our products. And right here, we have the quantity purchased. And it would be very easy for us right now to some kind of analyze our data, just like what we have in traditional Excel worksheet. You will want to actually use VLOOKUP to bring in, your price into this table for you to actually see what the revenue is, right? So we can do the same thing right here. What can you do? Right now, we're actually on this particular transaction 2020. So you can go right to home and click on merge query. I want to do that and use this. And now we can just go ahead and get a table called product lookup. And in this product lookup right here, we want to look for what is common here that is actually right here as well that can actually match them together. That is going to be our product ID. And we have the same product ID right here, and it gives us 100% match. This is where you have to look at if this is actually working well. You see a mark. And if we select something that is wrong, you can see what it gives us. Select column of the same type, number, text, etc. to continue. So we have to match it to what will definitely match it. So once we are done, we can decide to click on OK. And that gives us this. So we can just follow the same process right here, but we're going to do something a little bit different. So I want to take this off. I just want to check this because I want to have the table name right on the header. So what I want from here right now is my retail price. I'm going to look for my retail product costs. And if I want to bring my product name right in there, I can do that as well. And now I can bring my product ID as well. Now, it doesn't really make any damn sense to take our product ID back right here because already we have it, but I just want to use this as an illustration, for you. So we can go ahead and click on OK. Now we have new tables, columns right in here. As you can see, we have column coming from product lookup, and the name of the column is actually, product ID. We have another column coming from product lookup again, product name, price, retail price, and we have the product, costs, and okay, I think finally that is all. So we have the ID as well. So if we go to this ID here, I can decide to come here now, and here we have the ID 86912. If I come here right now, we have 86912 right here as well, the same thing. So what is the benefit of having this right here? Maybe you want to actually, see what is the revenue you made from this particular product. So you can do that using this particular, kind of bringing your tables together, using the merge queries. So you can actually go to this particular add column right here, and you see this particular custom column. So once you click on custom column, let's see what we have. Okay, right on custom column, I can actually type in here and say revenue. So revenue. So it is time for you to calculate how much we made per products. So what you can do to do that is actually come in right here. You see quantity. Once you double click on quantity, you have quantity right here. You can multiply quantity by total price of the product. That is cost. This is retail. So we can see by our retail price right here. Definitely, we've done the justification to it. I can just go ahead and click on OK. So once you check here and you see no error, that means what you've done is right. So click on OK right here, and that gives us how much we made per product. This product has made us over $100 or euros, depends on what currency you use. So you can actually make sure you change this to a whole number, or you can use currency whatsoever. I want to use whole number right here. So $125. That is going to be this one multiplied by the quantity, and this is the quantity right here. The quantity is just 59. So when you multiply 59 by the price we have right here, this is what you have, $125. dollars or euros whatsoever. It can even be naira, whatsoever it is. So this is exactly what it is. This is how this works. But that doesn't really make sense. I'm going to teach you why this wouldn't make sense. You don't have to do this. That is why we don't want to analyze this data in Excel, worksheet. Else would have actually done our VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, or index and match to join our tables together. So we shouldn't do that. So what we can do now is to actually have this removed. I just want to show you that something like this could be done in case you need it and you need to use it. So now you've known that we can do this. There is no point in keeping this right here because this is not why we are here. Hold my shift key to highlight everything from here and click on remove, and that is gone for life. You see that? So you've just learned how to use merge queries, and as well we've just learned how to use this particular custom column right here. And don't forget to actually see how you can actually use it to your advantage if you have a project.